Have you ever felt like your prayers are going unanswered? Like you're seeking a breakthrough, but nothing seems to change? What if I told you that your destiny could shift by simply repeating a few powerful words in sujood? Sujood is not just a physical act, it's a gateway to divine transformation. It is in this sacred moment, with your forehead on the ground, that your connection with Allah is strongest. This is when the heavens open, and your du'as carry the weight to change your life forever. In this video, I'll reveal 3 powerful du'as to repeat in sujood. Du'as that can bring peace, blessings, and divine intervention into your life. If you make this a habit, you'll witness remarkable changes in your faith, mindset, and destiny. Stay with me until the end, and let's unlock the hidden power of sujood together. Your transformation starts now. 1. The power of sujood. Sujood is the most sacred position a believer can be in. It is a moment of ultimate submission, where the forehead touches the ground in complete humility before Allah. In this position, the heart is open, the soul is at peace, and the connection with the Creator is at its peak. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The closest that a servant comes to his Lord is when he is prostrating, so increase in supplication." Sahih Muslim. This closeness makes sujood the perfect time to pour out one's heart, seeking guidance, forgiveness, and divine intervention. It is in this state that destinies are rewritten, burdens are lifted, and prayers are answered in ways beyond imagination. The sincerity of a believer's plea during sujood has the power to change circumstances, remove obstacles, and bring unexpected blessings. Furthermore, sujood is not just an act of worship, it is a gateway to personal transformation. It humbles the ego, strengthens faith, and deepens one's reliance on Allah. Every prostration reinforces trust in divine wisdom, reminding us that true success lies in surrendering to His will. By making sujood a place of heartfelt supplication, one opens the door to a life of peace, purpose, and divine favor. 2. The transformational impact of sujood. Sujood is more than just a physical act. It is a spiritual key that unlocks divine mercy and blessings. Every time a believer humbles themselves in prostration, they are actively seeking Allah's intervention in their life. This sincere act of submission allows burdens to be lifted, sins to be forgiven, and new doors of opportunity to open. Many believers have experienced moments of clarity, unexpected solutions, and inner peace simply by making sujood a place of heartfelt supplication. What makes sujood so powerful is that it aligns the heart with divine will. When one sincerely calls upon Allah while in this position, it is a sign of complete trust and dependence. This trust removes fear, anxiety, and doubts about the future, replacing them with certainty that Allah's plan is always in motion. The more a person turns to Allah in sujood, the more they witness positive changes in their mindset, relationships, and overall well-being. Moreover, sujood strengthens one's resilience. Life's challenges may seem overwhelming, but in prostration, believers find the strength to endure hardships with patience. It transforms pain into prayer, worry into worship, and uncertainty into unwavering faith. Through consistent sujood, a person can witness how Allah's mercy gradually reshapes their destiny for the better. 3 powerful du'as in sujood. During sujood, a believer has a unique opportunity to call upon Allah with deep sincerity. There are countless supplications one can make, but 3 powerful du'as can bring immense transformation when repeated with faith and consistency. The first du'a, Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, calls upon Allah's divine names, seeking His mercy and compassion. Ya Allah affirms complete dependence on Him. Ya Rahman asks for His boundless mercy, which extends to all creation. Ya Rahim seeks His special mercy reserved for the believers. Calling upon these names in Sujood invites divine favor, eases hardships, and fills the heart with hope. The second dua, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afwa wal-afiyah, means, O Allah, I ask you for forgiveness and well-being. This supplication seeks both spiritual and physical protection. It cleanses sins, shields from harm, and ensures a life of peace. By repeating this in Sujood, a believer safeguards their faith, health, and sustenance. The third dua, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar, asks for goodness in both worlds. It brings balance, success in this life, and salvation in the hereafter. Through this dua, a believer secures holistic well-being, divine guidance, and ultimate protection from the hellfire. Fourth, encouragement to practice Sujood and duas regularly. The true power of Sujood and these transformative duas lies in consistency. Making these supplications a daily habit can reshape one's life in ways that go beyond human understanding. Just as physical exercise strengthens the body, regular Sujood strengthens the soul, bringing clarity, peace, and divine support. The more a believer turns to Allah in prostration, the more they experience His guidance manifesting in their affairs. One of the greatest blessings of Sujood is that it requires no special time or place beyond the prescribed prayers. A believer can prolong their Sujood in voluntary prayers or even wake up for Tahajjud, the night prayer, when Allah's mercy is at its peak. During these moments, repeating these duas with sincerity can lead to remarkable changes in life, unexpected provisions, resolution of hardships, and a sense of unshakable inner peace. In a world full of distractions, Sujood offers a sacred refuge. It is a moment of stillness where all worries fade and only the connection with Allah remains. By committing to these duas in Sujood, a believer cultivates a heart that trusts, a mind that finds wisdom, and a soul that flourishes under divine care. The impact may not always be immediate, but every sincere prostration is a step toward a blessed destiny. 5. Faith, patience, and trust in Allah's timing. One of the most important aspects of making dua in Sujood is having unwavering faith in Allah's response. Every supplication is heard, and every sincere prostration is recorded, even if the results are not immediately visible. Trusting in Allah's divine timing is essential because He knows what is best for His servants. Sometimes, the delay in an answered prayer is not a denial, but a means of granting something even greater than what was asked. Patience is a key element in this journey. Life's challenges may persist, but a believer who remains steadfast in Sujood finds the strength to endure difficulties with a peaceful heart. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ assured us that Allah responds in 3 ways: by granting what is asked, by delaying it for a better time, or by protecting the supplicant from a harm they do not see. This knowledge should fill a believer's heart with peace and gratitude, knowing that every dua in Sujood has a purpose. True success lies in surrendering to Allah's wisdom while continuing to pray with sincerity. The transformation may not be instant, but over time, those who remain consistent in Sujood will witness how their destiny unfolds in ways they never imagined. Sujood is a sacred moment where destinies change, hearts heal, and prayers are answered. By consistently repeating these powerful duas, you invite Allah's mercy, guidance, and blessings into your life. Trust His timing, stay patient, and never stop making dua. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sacred Deen for more inspiring Islamic content. Comment below. May Allah grant us peace, success, and Jannah. Let's spread positivity and remind each other of the power of sincere prayer. May Allah bless you abundantly. Ameen.